Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. So I'm just getting ready to go to work, but I thought I'd come on and say hello. This is like my outfit. Excuse my messy room. This is my outfit for today. Just a green jumper and some like black trousers. So yeah, come along with me today and see what I get up to. This is like the perfume that I'm wearing today. You can't really see the name, but it's the Calvin Klein Eternity Moment. Yeah, look at these beautiful flowers. They were a birthday gift from my cousin. Hi guys, so it's been a few hours. Like, I am officially back from work now. It's now the evening and I'm gonna be doing some uni work. So, see you in a bit. H&M Home Shop and I got these glasses. I got 4 of those. Then I got this little bowl. I just thought it was cute. And then I got 4 of these little bowls here. These tablecloths. You'll see when I set them out how they look. And then I also got 4 of these dinner plates to match with the bowls. It's gonna look cute once I set it up. Hi guys, so it's another day now and I am off to run some errands. I need to pick up a package that got delivered and redirected, so I'm off to do that. I'll see you later.